Hey everyone, happy Self Love Sunday. The Buddha said, don't have any attachment to anything. So don't attach to your cravings, don't attach to your suffering. The middle road is best. So, what does that mean in this day and age? Well, when we attach our energy to something, let's say an outcome or to a person or a situation, when we attach to that and want that certain thing to happen, and that if it doesn't occur like that, or that person doesn't come into our lives, or that job doesn't come in, then we are disappointed. Then we think that things just don't work out for us, and what's the point? But the fact is that we can't have any attachment to that because it may not come in the way that we think it should come in. Whatever it is that we are hoping for or that we are trying to attract into our lives, and we have our own little idea of it, well, the universe or source energy or whatever you want to call it will bring in something better. So, trying not to have any attachment to that outcome or to that person or that situation or that job or whatever it is, if we just allow things to flow, just allow ourselves to be in the moment, be present, and just take that inspired action when it feels right, when it comes up. And that means tapping into your own intuition, tapping into your own inner being, listening to your higher self, your higher consciousness. When we allow things to be and flow, and then take the appropriate action when necessary, then things are a whole lot better. They tend to work out a whole lot better. And I can say for sure, I've done this where I wanted a certain thing to happen or a certain event to occur, and it wasn't happening. And I was very disappointed because it wasn't happening how I thought it should happen. But then what I did was, I thought to myself, okay, how do you want to feel? Well, I want to feel happy. I want to feel joyful. I want to have fun. I want to feel love. And whatever else I wanted to happen, I just wanted to feel that. And I didn't have an attachment to how that looked like or what that looked like. I just felt it, how I wanted to feel, and what I wanted to experience in that feeling. So, and then just letting it go and just creating that emotion within me. And what happened was that it was a better time than what I could have ever anticipated because I allowed it to flow, I allowed it to be. And this isn't to say that we just let people walk all over us and we just, sit on our couch and everything will just happen. That's not the point. The point is that we get into that feeling space, we feel it out. Yeah, we can have in our heads how we think it should look, and that's okay, but don't have any attachment to it. Just let it go, let it be, and then take the inspired action. So if your friend asks you out, then go out, take that inspired action. Whatever it is, just follow through with it as long as it feels good for you. So I hope this helped you, and I will see you next time. Bye.